show you how to make Yorkshire puddings. So I don't know how many this is going to make, but that's 310 grams of flour, because I weighed out my eggs. I've got 6 eggs, and that's 310 grams of eggs, whole eggs. So you do equal quantities of milk, flour and egg. So 310 grams of free-range eggs, 310 grams of plain flour, 310 grams, I'm using semi-skim milk. So now that the batter's made and there's no lumpies in it, if you can use any size moulds you want. But I'm going to use this sort of muffin tin. I'm just going to stick a little bit of oil in each one, just to cover the base. And get your oven on 200 degrees to heat up. Let's go. The simplicity of these Yorkshire puddings is that you don't have to let them rest. Some people put them in the fridge overnight when they've made the batter mix. They do all sorts of things, but these ones, you make the mix and you cook them. So when your oven's up to temperature and it's nice and hot, get your pan full of your oil and put it in the oven just for a couple of minutes to get hot. So yes, we're dealing with boiling hot oil, so put it in something easy to pour. Fill it up 2/3 of the way. When your temperature in the oven reaches 200, turn it down to about 180, between 180 and 190 degrees C. So to know when they're cooked, what you can do is you can turn them over and keep cooking them. Once they've been in the oven for a while, you could do that. You could turn them over and cook them so they're heated that side. You don't need to, because as you can see, they're cooked all the way through. Some people, when they cook them, you can see this one, you can see inside it, right in there. And if you're still cooking them and there's movement in there because the pastry, the batter's still cooking, you'll see it.